Traditionally, what we would do is to bring in teams from Mindanao, from Visayas to come over and compete with the Manila-based teams. That's what we did during the first year. Second time around, we did the opposite. We brought Manila teams to Davao, to Cebu, to Batangas as part of that concept that we want to be able to share with our teams from the provinces, yung level of competition and play that the Manila-based schools are used to, or they want to see if they are at par with these top-level schools. This year is very different. It's very special. It is something that we align with the push of the good chairman of the Philippine Sports Commission, Chairman Pato Gregorio, regarding sports tourism, to be able to join. Kasi nga ngayon, bakasyon sa kanila. So they have the time to compete, they have the time to participate in leagues outside of the United States. We also have a team coming from Australia and a team coming from Vietnam. So all these teams are excited to come over. In fact, multiple arrivals are starting today before the start on Saturday. Now, what I can say is that with this effort of the chairman together with sports organizations like us, for sports tourism to be at the helm of how we conduct our events and how we run events, I think it brings a different standard to the sport, or whichever sport runs it, because it's really something that we try to put a good image about how we run things and how we take our organization seriously. So, maglalaro po kami, high school division. This is the first time that we're doing a high school division in the invitation. It's always been a collegiate competition. But with the growth of the high school division, dun sa liga po natin, we thought that it might be a good idea, and it turned out to be one, na magkaroon ng dalawang division ng invitation. The high school division and a collegiate division to follow right after. So we start July 11 for the high school. Tawid agad yun on July 19 for the collegiate division. So tuloy-tuloy. Dalawang
2-in-1.
Yes, for
conference.
Thank you to our main sponsor, Shakey's, for allowing us to entrusting us to make this very challenging endeavor, especially in these very trying times. No, alam naman natin yung crisis, but again, we're very thankful that we were able to manage and push through this event.
Semi-finals one day, and then finals another day. So total of 7 players. And the local teams are Pusong Azul.
Yes.
And then we have Arellano University. We have Juan Lasal. Okay. And then also we have UST. Okay. And then St. John's from Bacolod.
St. John
From Bacolod.
From Bacolod. So they're becoming over here also. So ilan namin yung St. John's. Kami always.
Yun, format.
Yeah, the same format.
Round robin.
Round robin. And then semi-finals and then division. First to be, best of 3.
Ayan.
That's all that.
See,
and hope that they'll be happy and maging okay and join us in the coming future with this conference also. Thank you.
sa